viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from icse board exam 2026 class 10. The nature of roots of quadratic equation 3x square minus 6x minus 3 equal to 0 are. So student, here quadratic equation is given quadratic equation is 3x square minus 6x minus 3 equal to 0. Comparing with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is 3, b is minus 6, c is minus 3. Now we check its discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac for nature of the roots. So b 6 square minus 6 square, 4, a is 3 and c is minus 3. So this is 36, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 are 36. So this is also 36. We got 72, 72d. Now this is greater than 0. So roots are real and distinct. Now we check that they are rational or irrational. So if the d is complete square, d under root 70, which is not a complete square, we write it as 6 under root 2. So d is not perfect square, therefore roots are irrational, because irrational term is coming in this, therefore these are irrational. So real, distinct and irrational are the roots of the given equation. So C is the correct answer. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.